In this video, you're going to learn destructuring with functions in ES6. So just like we did with objects and array, you can do parameter matching in function declarations. So first, let's go back to ES5 and create a function f which takes an array and logs something like hello plus the first elements of the array plus a space plus the second element of the array. So we're supposing here, or we're assuming that the array is made of 2 elements, or at least 2 elements, right? So now if you try f of Bill Gates, this is what you get. All right, so now let's move to ES6 and use destructuring or parameter matching. So we're going to declare or define a new function. So let's call it G this time. So if you know that you're expecting an array of 2 elements, then you can do parameter matching like this and have a first element and a second element inside the array. Now, when logging this, you can simply use the parameters that you see there without having to go to the array elements and then selecting the or accessing the elements using their indexes. All right. So now let's use template literals and write hello first name last name. So let's try again. G of Bill Gates and see what we get. And here we go. Perfect. Now you can do the same thing with objects. So let's say that you've got a function, call it h, which takes an object. And this time, let's go straight away to parameter matching. So we're going to have first name and last name as the properties. So basically here you are interested in using the values or the variables first name and last name, which you will find in the parameter matching. Okay, so now we just want to log hello first name and last name. So again, we're going to use destructuring and we can just copy paste the same thing we have there. So if you try h of first name Mark and last name Zuckerberg, you will get the correct results. All right. Now you can also reduce this. So instead of first name, last name, you can just write first name and last name straight away using objects destructuring.